Everybody, welcome back to my channel, See.Eye.Why Reviews. Today I will redo the homemade version caramel cheesecake. Now, I attempted to do it before. It came out good, but it went like this. So I'm going to try this again. So I have my apple mince, and when I tell you to scare me for a minute, I was like, don't tell me I don't cut up some diced onions. But no, that's the apple that I have minced up. Some like big chunks, but not all. I'm going to be seasoning with allspice. I have my cream cheese, make sure it's room temperature, as well as my sour cream, my powdered sugar, my brown sugar, the base of the crust, which I've forgotten the other one as well. I'm going to use this, my cheap brand cinnamon cereal. I got this from Daddy the Rose. I think she was making that sweet potato cheesecake, and she used this and that brown butter. Oh yeah, I have that cooking on the stove, and I have that as well. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. Okay, I have my butter. I set it to the side to cool. Now inside the food processor, I'm gonna take some cereal, crush it up, cup and a half. I don't know. Just don't overdo it. Well, it depends on how much cheesecake you're making. Alright, I'm gonna put the top in and I'm gonna blitz it up. Alright, so I went ahead and blitzed it up. You see how it is? Just seasoning the crust, even though it's already seasoned, mainly with cinnamon, but I'm gonna put a little bit of that allspice in here as well. Go ahead and put that butter in now. Okay, this is like 1 tablespoon less than a whole stick. Do with that as you will, as you may. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and mix that around real quick. Ooh, it smells good though. And I'm gonna put in my crust. I'm just gonna pat this down. I'm gonna do mine overnight after I do everything. Okay, I went to the stove. I have it on medium heat. Same pan that I melted the butter in, I left that in there. So I'm just gonna caramelize the apples, season it with the allspice. Let's put you some in there. The allspice got cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. Baby, I said something and I was like, I forgot I ain't put no brown sugar in there. Let's put you a little bit in there. About 2 teaspoons. A little more, you feel me? Ooh, that was too dang much. Taking some out. I took some sugar out. I don't know if it's good enough, but if not, I'll just add some salt, more salt to it. I'm doing a little taste test. Let's see. That's good. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this is a little. I still taste that salt though. Might be pretty good. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, let it cool down. Now I'll show you my next step, Lord's will. Alright, I have all my cream cheese. I'll put inside here. And I will put in probably half that tube. Now with Popeye's, I don't think they use sour cream at all, but I'm gonna use it. Now I'm gonna add in some of my powdered sugar. Put you some in there, probably like half a cup should be good. And probably like a pinch of salt. I know it's salt in the butter and everything, but still, I want a little bit, just like a pinch. Should be good. Let me just go ahead and mix this up. Yeah, I'm gonna scoop this all off. Nothing to waste. Inflation. We budgeting all year. Not even just 1 year. Every day. Every year. Out of the freezer. So now I'm gonna put in some of my caramelized apples. Alright, now I'm gonna put in my cream cheese filling. Okay, so I didn't know it stopped on me. Alright, I done smoothed it out. I'm gonna try to put some juice on top of it. Alright, don't embarrass me now. I'm doing something. I'm trying to. I don't got no saran wrap. So, those who watch my channel, y'all should know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer and let it set overnight. And I'll get back to y'all the next day if the Lord's will. I got the extra. I'm gonna use that for y'all see. If the Lord's will. Alright, this is the next day. First I had it in the freezer, then I took it out and put it in the refrigerator. It still wasn't setting like I liked it. So I put it back in the freezer. It's more set, but we're gonna see how it tastes. I like the one from Popeye's. But we're gonna see because it's set and everything. But I'm gonna see if it tastes like it. And then also with the rest of it, I put it in the muffin tins. And I put this in the refrigerator, so this is not set, like frozen solid. Solid as a rock. No. Smart, ain't it? To put in these tins. Mmm. Okay, I feel like it's a little set, but not like that. Yes, y'all. I really want to taste this. I'm trying to figure out, should I dig into it or should I take it out? Because I know some people eat it like reviews I've seen, but also I've seen like, maybe it was just the promo. It was out the cup, so you see everything. I want y'all to see the crackers in there too. I don't know if it's going to come out like that. So we're going to keep it in there. This is definitely not letting me in. Okay, when I tell you I got it, y'all. Yes. I just, ooh, so good. Okay. Okay, can y'all see? Try not to. Okay. Y'all see that crust on there? I did it this time. Ain't nothing I can do without the Lord. That's on period. I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna bite it regularly. Try to get that crust too. That's what I want. That sweet and then that saltiness from the crust. Oh my goodness. Good God. Taste the apples, the cinnamon. Oh, I got the cinnamon and nutmeg. And then that crust. Oh my god. Now there's freezing my hand. The other one, it was still a 10. But I'm trying to think what that was still good. It didn't come out right, but it was still totally good. But just the fact that it wasn't right, I'll probably get like a 9.7. It'll be more like a caramel cheesecake pudding as opposed to the frozen. But oh my goodness, this is a 10. 10 out of 10, baby. I didn't know if it was gonna work because the body being cold, and then apple. The first one I had the apples more to the top. I was like, I don't know if I want my apples like frozen like that. However, with this one, the apples are more to the middle. That's why you can't see it. And I just got the juice drizzle on top. It looks good. That Christmas sauce show. I can't really eat. I can't eat cream cheese unless it's cold. The sweet cream cheese. If I have a pie, it have to have that crust ratio. Even with savory, anything with that's like coffee crust. Sometimes people can make it without crust, but with that crust, delicioso. Without the crust, side. My goodness, I'm making it to these ones. It's set, but it's not like frozen. It ain't Elsa. They don't need to be Elsa. See, it's like cold, but it's not frozen on there. It's good. Oh yeah, I gotta get it with that crust. I don't know if you can see it. Got the crust, and then you turn around yeah. Oh my goodness. I got the apple on there too. It's this apple. So good. Just like I thought it would. I got that crust ratio again with that cream cheese. This is so good. Now, due to the fact that it's not frozen solid, I still want to rate it a 10. It's just not frozen solid. It's still a 10 though. Which way do I prefer? This way a little bit more, but I'll eat it both ways. I'm trying to see which one's crust tastes better, or do it taste the same? I don't know. I like that crust both ways. Let me get into this again. This crust got a little bit more butter. I remember I had to make more crust because I had more batter, but I need to make more crust. I didn't put as much butter in the other one. That's why this crust tastes a little bit better. So cut me off. I'm being rude. But yeah, they're both good, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's delicioso. However, which one I prefer it? Probably the second one in the 10s because you could like manage it more and you gotta pick it up and all like that. But they both for 10 really. $10, eh, baby? In my book and in your book too. If you try to make it, have a blessed day. And what y'all gonna do? Hit this recipe up.